aim for this experiment is to find out if a bimetallic strip could bend when heated and conduct electricity, so that we could make a fire alarm. The materials needed are styrofoam board, wires, battery box, AA battery, buzzer, light bulb, candle, lighter, electrical tape, glue, aluminum foil, buffalo paper. How to make the bimetallic strip. Glue a quarter of the buffalo paper. Stick an aluminum foil to the paper. Remove the leftover aluminum foil. Cut the paper with the aluminum foil into a strip. Installing the batteries into the battery box. Open the battery box. Put in the batteries. Close the battery box. How to make the circuit. Testing the circuit. Light up a candle and put it below the strip. strip will bend as heat is given. The buzzer and light bulb will turn on. When we hit the bimetallic strip, the strip contracts and touches the copper wire, making the circuit close so the buzzer and bulb turn on. The strip bends because the two materials expand at different rates when heated. The difference in length causes the strip to bend. This fire alarm circuit is a circuit that detects presence of fire. In some cases, fire alarm is a part of a complete security system.